Today is Wednesday, June 22nd. No, 21st. It is the 52nd day of the remodel. So, still no carpeting. A few extra trim boards around. Electrical isn't done yet. New door, new trim, and new cabinets. There'll be tile behind that ladder. Had the counters measured yesterday, so this will be a wraparound quartz counter here. What we've been thinking of as a 17-inch bar is going to be closer to 19 and a half, something like that. Dishwasher here. Sink. Prep counter. Garden window. Refrigerator. Oven is in. And that's our old microwave with the trim kit, and that is the new oven. Cooktop is here but not connected yet. Range hood is here. Hole for the vent is prepped, not cut completely yet. New spice cabinet, which is really a medicine cabinet. Two shelves. Lady of the house has already indicated a desire for more. So the lighting should go in, all the wiring or the outlets and things, switches should go in Saturday. Don't know when the carpet will go in. I think the tile floor is going to go in Monday or Tuesday. New doors all around. Bifold door here. Close chute now has a lid, a one-holer, extra drywall screw just in case you need that. Painter will be back today about noon. Be here today and tomorrow. We'll do a final painting of the walls. We have a Daddy Long Legs there if you want. It's amazing how quickly they come in. Pantry over on this side. We put all of the hinges full pull out, of course. The positive closing guys, which mean you have to give a little extra effort to get them pulled out. We need a stop of some sort there. Minimal crown molding all around. Had to do a little modification here to cover up something we thought the crown molding was going to cover. Don't know why that crown molding isn't in place. But it will be like that on the other side. Floor still squeaks. Oh, we've got the cold air return in. Hot stuff, or so to speak. Status, June 21st. 52nd day. we've got at least 3 weeks to wait for the counters.